Hello, friends, come play with me. Learning letters happily. Today we will learn letters N, O, and P. Let's start our alphabet adventure. Hush, my friends, look and see. A tiny sound up in the tree. N is for nest in the tree. Shining softly for you and me. Here's the happy letter N. Say N.
N.
Let's say N together. Let's say N together.
N.
Can you find the letter N? Tiptoe with N, 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 N. Tiptoe with N, 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 N. Tiptoe with N, 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 N. N says N, sing with me.
And then happily.
N says Nen, sing with me.
And then happily.
Today we learned the letter N. Listen close. What do we see?
Waves are dancing happily. O is for ocean, wide and blue.
Round and bright for you and me. Here's the shining letter O. O. O.
Oh.
Let's say O together. O.
Oh.
Look, shapes in the sand.
Can you find the letter O? There it is! The glowing one!
Jump with O, O, O. Jump with O, O, O. O says O, sing with me.
O says O, sing with me.
O, 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 happily.
Oh, happily!
Today we learned the letter O. What are we planning today? A picnic time for fun and play. P is for picnic in the park. Look up high and you will see a playful shining letter P. Say P.
Oh.
Let's say P together. P. Can you find the letter P? Hack with P, Papa Pee. Hack with P, Papa P. Hack with P, Papa P. P says pa, sing with me. Today we learned the letter P.
N says N, O says O, P says P. Now you know. Letters learned and fun today. See you soon again to play.
Next time we learn letter Q.